Hi friends, Miss Hazel here.
And Miss Kate.
Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to make a 16-page little book out of one sheet of paper. Last week we learned an 8-page book. This one's a little bit trickier, but I know you can do it. So you take a regular sheet of paper, copy paper, and let's get started. So first you're going to fold it hamburger style. Make sure your creases are really good and strong. And then you're going to fold it out. You're marking a grid on your paper right now. So, okay, like that. I'm going to flip it over and fold it out again. Okay, that's one way. Okay, see how we did that? All right, now I'm going to open it up. As we like to say, hot dog style. The first one was hamburger style. This one's hot dog style. Again, make a good, strong crease. Fold it, and then do the same thing on this side. Fold it out. If I'm going too fast for you, just stop the video and then catch up, and then you can get back on. Turn it over and go this way now. Okay, everybody got that? So 3 folds this way, 3 folds this way, and now I have this grid with, how many pieces is that? Miss Kate, can you do the math? 4 times 4
is 16.
16. Okay, next part of your job is to flip it and have it be hot dog style. And you'll see there's 3 lines where you folded, and you want to go from the folded side and cut in 3 times with the 3. There's 1, 2, just to the middle, and 3. Okay, now your paper is a little cut up and kind of crazy. Put it down, katipi, and then you're going to cut the middle of the center too. Cut them. Be as precise as you can. That means careful and exact. Okay, so now your paper looks like this, like a picture frame. Okay, here's the next part. You want to take those edges and fold them out so you have like a frame. Okay, now it's like a window frame, and the sides are flipped out like that. Next you want to do is fold it together. You just want to make your fold nice and strong this way. Okay, after you've done that, open it back up, and now you're going to flip it over. Okay, now you're going to fold it up, crease it down, fold it up like that. Okay, and now you're going to put it together. This is the kind of crazy magic part. Look at that. Now you do like that. Push it together. Doesn't really matter which way you go. Fold it all. Oopsie. Fold it all together. And there you have your book. Now, some pages are double papers, and some pages are just one sheet of paper. But you'll have 16 pages in your book. Can be a doodle book, can be a notebook. Remember, you can keep it in your pocket. Remember to write down special things that you want to remember to tell your grandma the next time she visits. It can be a really fun little book for all kinds of things. So that is how you make a 16-page doodle book. I made a book of faces because I think that's really funny, and I made like funny faces and flower with faces and crazy hair smiley faces. So that's our idea with one sheet of paper. Thank you for joining us. If you like this video, you could subscribe to our YouTube channel, which is right here, just down below us. Or you could send us pictures of your doodle books to Alameda Arts Fun on Instagram. And you could like this video too and share it with your friends. That'd be super fun. Thanks for joining us.
Bye.
Bye, friends.